Welcome to 25 Edgeley Court, a gorgeous 3-bedroom brick townhome enjoying a prime location in a sought-after neighborhood of Central West Ajax, just minutes from the heart of historic Pickering Village. Featuring a single-car garage with 2-vehicle driveway parking and an interlocking walkway to its east-facing covered front entrance, the main level opens with a ceramic-tiled foyer, its spaciousness enhanced by the mirrored doors of its coat closet, while ceramics also finish the kitchen and breakfast area, as well as a powder room with a pedestal sink that is found just off the main hall. Dark hardwood flooring flows from the main hall and into the living and dining rooms, while pot lighting, upgraded light fixtures, and a chic yet neutral decor accentuate the aura of modern elegance felt throughout. A modern chandelier casts ambient light in the dining room, and a coordinating flush mount fixture illuminates the adjacent living room, which enjoys the warmth of a corner gas fireplace with a tiled accent surround. With their west-facing exposure, the living room, the breakfast area, and the kitchen all enjoy abundant natural light, while crisp white cabinetry enhances the brightness of the kitchen. Well-designed and quite functional, this beautiful work area also showcases ample counter space, an easy care backsplash with a modern geometric pattern, a stainless steel double sink, built-in dishwasher and microwave, oven and French door fridge, as well as the added convenience of a servery area. While the sliding doors in the breakfast area, which open to a Juliet balcony, and the living room window also offer views of the fenced-in backyard. The staircase across from the dining room has a classic light and dark finish and carries to an upper level showcasing hardwood flooring throughout, 3 spacious bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. Just outside the entry into the main 4-piece washroom is a linen closet, with this washroom featuring a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with great storage. The second and third bedrooms both enjoy east-facing exposures, with the second bedroom featuring a double-sized closet with a single door, the third bedroom having a walk-in closet, and both bedrooms also able to accommodate sitting or study areas. The west-facing master suite also showcases a walk-in closet. Its 4-piece ensuite washroom has ceramic finishes throughout, a walk-in shower area with a rainfall shower head, as well as a soaker tub. While the bedroom itself has 2 large windows overlooking the backyard, and its generous size can accommodate a sitting or media area. A sunken landing across from the dining room provides direct access to the garage, with the stairs continuing to the walkout lower level. This level offers exceptional storage, including a storage closet just off the lower landing, a large room that combines storage, the household mechanicals, and a laundry area, as well as a walk-in clothing closet upon entry into the recreation area. Beautifully finished with a chic modern decor, this room also showcases pot lighting, laminate flooring, as well as an above-grade window and a sliding door walkout to the backyard. While just off this space is a 3-piece washroom with upgraded tiles finishing the floor, the accent walls, and a glass shower complete with a spa system. A short walk to Alexander Graham Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, and Pickering High Schools, as well as to a neighborhood plaza, parks, and the heart of Ajax's historic Pickering Village. This home is also minutes from the Riverside Golf Course, the Duffins Creek Conservation Area, the GO Station, and the Durham Center Shopping Mall, with access to highways 401 and the 407 just short drives away.